7th standard, chapter 17, Forest our lifeline. Okay, forest our lifeline. We already studied some forest, then forest animals, forest habitats, etc. Okay, and also some crown shapes and forest product, canopy, stories in forest, then forest floor, and the interrelationship of plant. Okay, interrelationship of plant and also forest. In this lesson, we study about nothing goes waste in a forest. Anyone. The nutrition cycles, food chains. In this way, the nutrients are cycled. So, nothing goes waste in a forest. Okay. Today, we goes to a balance of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the forest. Today, we study about balance of oxygen and carbon dioxides. Okay. Listen, ma. Forest maintain the balance of carbon dioxide and oxygen in the atmosphere. The forest maintain the balance of carbon dioxide and oxygen in the atmosphere. So, animals and human beings release carbon dioxide. In the case, the animals and human beings release carbon dioxide during respiration. Listen, during respiration. And plant absorb the carbon dioxide during photosynthesis. The plant absorb the carbon dioxide during photosynthesis. Plant also release oxygen during photosynthesis. So, the plant using at a time, it absorb the human beings release the carbon dioxide and also release the oxygen during photosynthesis. In this way, forest maintain the balance of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. So, if forest disappear, carbon dioxide level in the atmosphere will increase, leading to an increase the earth temperature. This rise the overall temperature, the earth atmosphere is called global warming. Okay, this rise in overall temperature, the earth atmosphere is called global warming. So, when the global warming start, if forest disappear, you listen, if the forest disappear, carbon dioxide level in the atmosphere will increase leading to an increase the earth temperatures. In this rise is overall temperature, the earth atmosphere is called global warming. Then we goes to the why forest called green lungs. Why forest is called green lungs? We know that plant take up carbon dioxide and release oxygen. Hence, the plants in the forest provide oxygen to the animal and their animals provide carbon dioxide to the plants. In this way, the balance of oxygen and carbon dioxide is maintained. The atmosphere in forest, this is a reason why forest called green lungs. Okay, the forest avoid the global warming, and also it called green lungs. The forest called green lungs. Okay, what do people live in the forest? Yes, people from different tribes live in forest. These people are dependent upon forest for food, water, shelter and medicine. Okay, food, water, shelter and medicines. In this way, All the organism, whether they are plants or animal, depend on each other and help each other to survive in the forest. You see the deer, snakes, microorganisms, etc. Okay. So, why forest called dynamic living entity? Why forest called dynamic living entity? All the organisms, whether they are plants or animals, depend on each other and help each other to survive in the forest. The herbivores are depend on the plant for their food. The carnivores are depend on the herbivores. The decaying matter of dead animals, plants, and their excreta enables the growth of more plants by providing them with adequate nutrients to grow. The decaying matter of dead animals, plants, and their excreta enables the growth of more plants by providing them with adequate nutrients to grow. So, the decomposes decay the dead matter in the forest and support the growth of plants. Hence, forests are called dynamic living entity. Hence, the decomposers decay the dead matter in the forest and support the growth of plants. Hence, forests are called dynamic living entity. Okay. Next class, we detailed study about drain water drips from the trees and seeps into the ground. Okay, thank you.